Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make edible moon rocks? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to Scoutadelic. Now, come on, spice up your scouting this year, do something different, boldly go where quite a lot of people have gone before, and subscribe to the channel. It's free to do so, and you're going to get tons of activities, ideas, spark your imagination. Just like this one. So today I'm going to show you how to do edible moon rocks. Now what you're going to need is a bowl and a spatula thingy. There's probably a baking term for this. You also need white chocolate, grey food colouring if you can get it. But if you can't, you can always use black food colouring and use simply some silver spray on the actual black thing that you're going to make. You need a baking tray with some parchment on the top, and finally what you would need is either some cornflakes or crunchy nut. Obviously I know nut allergies, this isn't probably the best, but something that doesn't look like the normal baking thing. So these obviously have bits of nut on them, so just experiment, you know, that's what it's all about. Do something different. First of all, with your bowl and your white chocolate, you're going to break it up into little squares, and you're going to make sure that you don't eat any of them. No matter how tempted you are, don't do it. If I can do it, so can you. So you want to break them up into the small little chunks, like that, and fill up the bowl, like so. Now, you can do this two different ways. You can put it on the stove, so have boiling hot water and put that on it and melt the chocolate that way. Alternatively, you can show it in your microwave for around about a minute, and then obviously if that hasn't done it, then 10-second bursts after that, depending on obviously what you've got available to you. So once it's now in a nice runny state, then what you're going to do is you're going to put in your food colouring. So I've obviously got grey, but if you can't get grey, then black is another option, and then you need obviously some silver glitter that you can obviously sprinkle on. Obviously make sure that it's edible. And then squeeze it in. I don't know how much I need. I'm hoping that's the best. And then mix it into your white chocolate. So you should get a grey mixture. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put in your cereal. So whether it's Rice Krispies or in my case Crunchy Nut cornflakes, whatever you're going to put in. I would normally put in a handful at a time, but also crunch it in as well, so you don't want the same texture as you would a normal sort of bake sale type thing. And you want it covered so that you can't tell that it's crunchy nuts underneath. You can also do mixtures, so you could have a bit of crunchy nut or cornflakes, some Cocoa Pops, some all different branded and non-branded goodness there. And then once you've done that, you're going to make little balls and dollop them onto your tray. Now obviously if the balls do change size, it really doesn't matter, because these are moon rocks. Moon rocks are not supposed to be the same size or the same sort of texture. Once you've got your rocks done, then put them aside because they want to cool down, and then you can maybe lick the bowl. Or obviously wash it. Or lick the bowl and wash it, you know. And then once they're nice and chilled, you can put on some glitter. There's a lot of glitter all over. And then you have yourself a nice moon rock. And there we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There we go. Easy, simple to do, and tasty. If you like this video, don't forget to obviously give it a thumbs up and share it around. Come on, edible moon rocks. What are you waiting for? Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.